What's up everyone, my name is Alex Costa, and when I was younger, there was one thing I really struggled with every day of my life. My voice. I hated my voice so much. I thought I sounded dumb. I thought people didn't like it either. And so what I decided to do is talk less. I thought that I would solve that problem by talking less, but in doing that, I was just creating another problem. How was I supposed to have a good life without talking? It was impossible. So I stepped up to the plate and I decided at that moment that no, I am not gonna sit here and not talk because I don't like my voice. I'm gonna take charge and control of the way that I sound. I wanted to sound strong, excited, passionate, and most importantly, not embarrassing. A strong, confident voice will make you more attractive. People will respect your ideas more because of the way that you express yourself. So today's video is all about having a strong, attractive voice. Don't forget that we're this close to getting to 1 million followers on Instagram, and the moment we get there, we're gonna do a huge giveaway, 10 winners, the biggest giveaway that I've ever done. All you have to do is follow me. It's at Alex Costa. I'll leave the link to it in the description below. The first thing you need to work on is having a good pitch. And if you don't know what it is, well, the pitch of your voice is determined by how low you talk most of the time or how high you talk most of the time. If you're talking like this, super low all the time, then you're gonna sound a little weird, right? It sounds like you're trying a little too hard. And if you sound like this all the time, then again, it doesn't sound very pleasant to the ears. What you need is a really good balance. If your lowest pitch is down here and your highest is up here, you need to, first of all, cancel these out, cancel these extremes, and live around this area here, right in the middle. But here's the problem. You can't sound the same all the time. You can't just live here, straight down the middle. The best way of talking and captivating people and making them wonder what else you're gonna say next is to have a wide variety of the pitch of your voice. So you go a little bit higher and then you go a little bit lower, and that makes people more interested in what you have to say. Do not sound like this all the time. Monotone. It's boring. It's predictable. You need to change it up and down and make it more exciting, almost like you're telling them this crazy story and you're grabbing their attention. Next, work on the volume of your voice. Don't scream, don't yell, don't sound angry. That's only gonna make people dislike you. First, think of your surroundings, right? If you're able to do that, then ideally, you want your voice to carry 15 to 20 feet around you. That is the perfect volume when you're having a good conversation. Now, of course, you're not gonna do that in the library or in a situation where it makes you seem annoying or too loud. So be mindful of the location and the situation that you're in. But if you can speak freely, if you're outside with your buddy and you wanna talk to him in a convincing way, then 15 to 20 feet is the goal. Here's a tip. Talk as the air is being pushed from down here through your vocal cords to make the sound come out of your mouth. Really think about that motion. Really think about the technique. It's gonna feel uncomfortable and unnatural at first, but you'll get used to it. Squeeze your core as you talk and let it out. Next, your body language plays a huge role in the way that you sound and in the way that you're perceived by others. Look, your voice is important, but it's really only a small part of your communication skills altogether. Learning to have proper, positive body language is just as important, if not more. Stand up straight, and if you can, make hand movements. Be enthusiastic if you're trying to show passion. Passion, right? It's different than passion. It's completely different. Body language really matters. These are just some of the things that I teach in my brand new VIP community called The Inner Circle. When you join, you immediately start getting exclusive videos on mindset and how to develop the right mindset to win and to be successful. On style, so that you can look your best, be stylish, and on communication, so that you can have the right body language that will change the way people see you. It will change the way people respond to you. We just launched The Inner Circle, and we already have hundreds of members in the community getting better and better every day. Besides the exclusive videos, you get video calls with me, makeovers, challenges, and you will finally be able to push through and stop living an average life. No more being invisible, no more of that, all right? I want you to stand out. I want you to be happy and successful. And that is exactly what you can find right in the Inner Circle. I took everything that I learned, all of my mistakes, and there were a lot of mistakes, all of my failures and successes that got me here to where I am today, and I put it all in the Inner Circle. It's crazy seeing the guys that have been there for just a couple of weeks and the results are so visible. It's insane. I'm gonna leave the link to the Inner Circle below. Go check it out, and trust me, I am so proud of what my team and I have developed that if you don't like it for any reason, you get a refund within 14 days. All right, within 14 days, you join, you don't like it, you get a refund. I won't be happy if you're not happy. You don't have to pay if you don't like it, no questions asked. So you have nothing to lose. I'm gonna leave the link for you to take control of your life and join the inner circle right below in the description. It's alexcostastyle.com. The next thing that you need to work on is the clarity of each word that comes out of your mouth. And this was especially tough for me. English is not my first language. It's my second language. I had a super thick accent for a long time. I still have an accent. Practice. Be clear. Pronounce all of the letters. Don't eat up letters, and definitely don't eat up words when you're speaking. If you're skipping words, slow it down. Think clear. Open your mouth, move your tongue, your lips. Really make the movement of your mouth exaggerated until you get it right. Guys, I had to practice this so much in front of a mirror. Record myself on video to get this right, and I still practice every day. Some words just don't come to me as naturally as they come to you. Portuguese is my first language. That is easy for me. When I'm speaking English, I have to double think. It's a lot harder. But that's the thing. If I can do it, anyone can. Practice, practice, practice. And that brings me to another thing that you need to keep in your mind in order to have an incredible, attractive, strong voice. You need to be aware of how fast they are speaking, the speed. So many people talk so slow, and it's so boring. Why are you talking so slow? Bring it up a little bit, guys. Make sure that you're being entertaining. Think of you telling a story that is captivating other people. And so many people talk so fast, and I'm like, geez, dude, slow it down a little bit. Like, there's too much energy, or I actually didn't understand what you said, because like I said, English is not my first language, so take it easy, take it down a notch. Don't skip words, don't eat up words when you're talking too fast. Slow it down, it's okay. This next one is extremely important, all right? Slowly get rid of those filler words from your vocabulary. Example, I like to play the guitar, kind of like, you know what I mean, like I play once a week. If you do that to fill the empty spaces, all those like, you know what I mean? You're afraid of silence between words. Well, don't be. It is better to take a short pause than to fill it with like, well, etc. Stop using filler words right now. Even if you have silence between words, it's okay. I would rather say I like to play the guitar mostly because this and that, instead of saying I like to play the guitar. That doesn't sound good. The first step is to have that silence and to be okay with it. Don't get nervous, don't get embarrassed, just let your silence be. You know, what you're saying is okay. Just let it breathe for 1 second. Then the next step is to slowly try to get rid of those empty spaces in between your words in your sentences. Say a full sentence, then take a second to breathe when there's a comma or a period, and carry on. Filler words are not gonna sound good in conversations, and much worse when you're doing any sort of public speaking. So get rid of them now. Guys, make sure to check out the inner circle. It's listed below. You guys are going to love it. We've had so many positive, amazing results over the past couple of weeks, and I can't wait to see you there. And also check out Instagram.com/AlexCosta, because as soon as we hit the big million, man, it's such a big milestone for me. I'm so excited. It's like a number that I've been waiting to hit for so long, to see that M there on my profile. So thank you guys so much for your help. Thank you guys so much for your support and your feedback over the years. You guys have been amazing. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, hit the subscribe button. Become part of the YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Peace.